always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of
Hi, everybody.
touch.
Welcome back if you're returning, and
I'm
welcome if
always
you're new.
pouring out
And
my
the
heart,
purpose of this
a
portion
little
of the video is to
quiet.
stop and acknowledge all the wonderful new subbies that we have that have joined Marine Home Expressions. I couldn't go upload another video without acknowledging it. Thank you guys so much for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. I really, really, really appreciate the support and encouragement. I really do. Um, Thank you for those of you that were in the comments talking to each other and me getting down and replying to, some of you guys. It's just really fun to see the interaction and the family growing the way it is. It's really inspiring, and I really am so glad you decided to click on our video. The last time I checked, the video had over 6,000 views, and we have 120 total subbies here, new members to Marine Home Expressions. Thank you guys so much. So excited to where we're going. This is just the beginning. We're just getting started. We have so much more in store, and I hope you guys are just as excited as I am to see where this is all going to take us. Um, I did want to give a shout out to Tawanda over at Home with T. Thank you for suggesting us on your channel, and some of her subscribers decided to come over and join the family. And welcome to everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so emotional and so excited. Like I just have been bubbling up, and I was like, what can I do? So I do have something big in store. Probably next month, trying to see how much more will grow over the next month or so. And then I just want to show some appreciation to a lucky subscriber. So there's a contest that we're gonna do, and I will give you more information on that to come. And then a wonderful um, subby will receive a gift from Marine's Home Expression, and I hope that everybody will participate. It's just something fun to do, and then to for me to show my appreciation back to you guys. As we grow here on this channel, we're doing this together. This is nothing that I could do on my own, and I really appreciate the time that you spend with me. It's very energizing for me, and it gets me inspired and keeps me motivated to keep going. Um, so, with that being said, before we get into the video, this is going to kind of introduce us going into the kitchen. We're going to be doing some DIY stuff, some touch up on some paint, things like that, and just get it to looking better than what it is. I'm going to show you guys an overall on the next video, but on this particular video, I'm just introducing the kitchen just by going into the kitchen and showing the new dishware and flatware that I purchased from the Home Depot online. And very nice quality, you guys. I'm going to make sure I link it in the description box for you. So if you're interested, you can get it for your home. And I think it'll be very nice to have, not just for not just for the holidays, but I think for every day, because just the quality of it is just so nice, so awesome. My daughter was here a few weeks ago from Atlanta, and she was like, "Mommy, those are nice." And I was like, "Yeah, I know." And so yeah, I just wanted to share it with you guys, and I thought that'd be a great introduction into the kitchen. And you haven't seen the kitchen much at all, I don't think, in any of the videos. Maybe me passing through there, but not focusing in on it. So that's definitely the next stop. Doesn't mean we won't be doing more clean with me's in the living room or in the back room or the office. We'll be doing stuff all over the house, but the next few videos will just be focused on the kitchen and trying to get it looking and feeling better. And that's the whole point of creating a beautiful life. It is not the overhaul that I would like, but it's steps getting there. It's all about the process, as I said in the garage video. It's, the steps to start, the steps that get you there, and the steps to the finish line. And that's what we're going to keep on doing. We're going to keep on moving and keep on trucking until we get there. And then There is no final destination because creating a beautiful life is our overall life, our overall health. And so we're going to journey into lots of different things, even outside of the home. And I hope you guys are open to it. Uh, and are willing to, grow with me as a channel. And yeah, I'm really excited about where we're going. So without further ado, I'm going to let you guys jump right into the video. I hope you enjoy it. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you care. And until the next one, guys, I'll see you then. Bye.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? Seeing past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally kept for yourself. You really moved on.